Welcome back to Instables, everyone. So a very nice continuation on up today. Now the question is, are we going to continue on past this continuation on down from last week that started on Thursday? Are we going to continue on with this pressure to the downside, get rejected at this level, and then continue on down? Or are we going to continue on past this level and continue on up? I'm going to go over exactly which level we do need to continue on past and which levels on the daily chart that I would be looking for to have a continuation. And also, I'm going to go over a stock that we had a gap up with in the Instables room today. And all I ask in return for all of this is you smash that like button and hit subscribe if you do want to see more chart updates that I mention every single day throughout the week. And again, if you guys are day traders or you guys are interested in intraday perspective breakouts throughout the day, go to instables.com in the description below. And only for $15 a month, you guys will never miss a breakout alert today again. So let's jump right into this one. Now, jumping into the daily chart with you guys here on the SPY, this is the S&P 500. Again, we do have our leading indicator that we have been talking about, our 20-day moving average, looking to see if we can cross over our 50. Just as we had our 20 crossing back over our 50, we did have our green doge coming out today, a very strong bounce that we had today from our leading indicator crossing above. Now, looking to see if we can continue on with this volume. As you guys can see, we do have buy volume. We did mention that we were decreasing in sell volume as we had to cool off from a major run, showing us that we are possibly on a healthy pullback, and sure enough, having a bounce, looking to see if we can continue on with this healthy pullback. Now, again, we do have our 20 crossing back over our 50. We will be looking at levels from this point to see if we can continue on up. We have a 458 level that we do need to continue on past. So the question from here will be if we can continue to respect our 20-day moving average. Again, a yellow line is our 20-day moving average and our red is our 50-day moving average. Now, we could possibly consolidate, come on over and look to see if we can continue leading into Fed minutes on Wednesday. Again, Fed minutes very much will predicate if we do continue on up here in the market or we do have a pullback, and exactly what the Feds have to say and how the market reacts and what exact levels the market holds after Fed minutes will be very key. That'll be exactly what I'll be looking for to have a continuation. And now looking at our MACD, as you guys can see, again, we do have our EMA line still above our MACD. We did mention this week that we still could bounce because we still had our EMA lines above our MACD, showing us that we still could continue on up and sure enough, get in that move to the upside. So keeping an eye on Fed minutes going into Wednesday will be very key. Now, I wanted to jump into a stock that we had a gap up with at the end of the day today with GBS. I wanted to go over exactly how this gapped up. I'm going to go over the 5 minute with you guys here. As you guys can see here on GBS, we started off the gate, mentioned higher risk at 109. We did continue on down. We did consolidate. We had our 20-day moving average still over our 50 here on our 5-minute chart, showing us that we still could continue. And as you guys can see, we came up. We started to respect our 20-day moving average. We bounced off of it, had an increase in momentum here on the MACD, giving us that clear confirmation on this continuation. A very nice gap up that we had from a previous continuation on down. As you guys can see previously, we had a gap down from this point, and we did fill this gap that we had, continuing on down here, now continuing on up and having a very nice gap up on the day. And again, if you are day traders or you are looking for intraday perspective breakouts throughout the day, go to instables.com in the description below and you will never miss breakout alert today again. And all of you Instables that support the channel every single day, we will continue to go at it. Very nice breakouts today in the Instables room. An insane breakout today with NUTX. If you guys did see that one, very, very crazy breakout with the new IPO that we had today. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help with the refinement and it does help the channel grow. And I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all. And I'll see you guys in pre-market.